My name Thammanrat. I'm from Cambodia. I'm finished from the Academy of Culinary Art of Cambodia, signed 2023. And now I work at Sofitel Phnom Penh Bukit as a commis chef. And I will be fly to the US 10 September 2025 to join in the cultural uh, as exchange program as a culinary training at the Fairna Hotel, Miami Beach. For my visa process very smooth because I got support from the Placement International. The placement very support me everything. Sign I help first working with the placement. Them always support me. Like I don't know anything. Them always like tell me about what I don't know and support me. Sign I help. Interview with the house company until I have interview with the embassy, and until now I almost at the United States. The Placement International still support me and very warm. For the first one, when you finish from the academy, you have to prepare some document that like the program TIEE program or embassy require all, and you have to confident in yourself, and you also show the person when you not when you interview with the host company, when you interview with the embassy also you have to show your person or cooking to them. For the people who have the good English, it's also good. But for me, I'm a little bit because I'm not good at English, you know about that. But finally, I can do it because I can listen and speaking, but not too much. But I can communication in the kitchen, but and them will know about me something, and I will learn from them also. Oh, the thing is good for me. The placement international is always have responsibility for the candidate. Before I'm also a little bit nervous because I never know about the Placement International, but I just know about that. I'm research and know about that. The Placement International is one of the company that take the candidate to the study abroad or go to internship abroad, something like that. But when I start working with the company, I got that good for me. I think that's very good for me. When someone asks me, I want to go to abroad, for me, I will advise them to connection with the Placement International. That's also good for me. Again, I'm very warm while when I have worked with the Placement International because I got chance from the executive chef at the Vienna Hotel, like Chegonel. I got opportunity there, and the from the Greg Nguyen, you also you that you always support me like the document and like the mock interview, something like that, and Savannah's always connecting between me to the placement to the Vienna Hotel Miami Beach. Very warm because the company always responsibility for me